Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Battle.net human verification error. First, close the Battle.net app completely. Make sure it is not running in the background. You can check your system tray or task manager to confirm that it is fully closed. This helps prevent any active processes from interfering with the fix. Next, open your web browser. Go to the Settings or Options menu and find the section for Privacy and Security. From there, select the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to choose cache and cookies from the list. Then confirm and delete them. This will remove any saved data that might be causing the verification to fail. Once that is done, close your browser and reopen it. Now, open the File Explorer on your computer. Click on the address bar and type %program data%, then press Enter. This will take you to the program data folder. Inside, find the folder named Blizzard Entertainment or Battle.net. Right-click on it and delete it. This will remove the old cache and settings of the Battle.net app. Do not worry, because when you open the app again, it will automatically create a new folder with fresh data. If it still does not work, the problem might be related to your browser. Sometimes, the verification system can have issues with certain browsers. Try switching to a different one, such as Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Chrome, depending on what you were using before. Then visit the Battle.net website again and try logging in to see if the error is gone. Following these simple steps usually fixes the verification issue for most users. Thanks for watching.